Hello, boys. Uh, Welcome in my class. I, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, again welcoming to all of you in my surveying class. Today's topic is the different type of leveling. Dear boys, first you can understand what is the leveling, and after that she will read different type of leveling. Dear boy, when you are constructing a factory, when you are constructing a bridge, when you are constructing a railway line, when you are constructing and any important construction, on that time you have need to important survey. How? Sure. Why? Suppose this is a river and you have required construction to a bridge. Like that. Now, this is the pier. This is the pier. Up first, you have required what is the position of the river. Is it meandering? Is it in the cutting? Is it in the high hill? What is the position? Then how you will know, my dear boy? How you will know? You will know through survey. Entire this all area, these, you should require natural surface level. How area is available is there. Correct? And after that, you will fill a certain level. What is the certain level? Thereby, if suppose this is the river and flood level is this, highest flood level is this. What you will do? Here you will do a bund, a dike, construct to both sides. And after that, you will also make a dike is here and here. And then you will construct the bridge. Correct? So this is not the only case of bridge. Anything, civil structure, you want to construction. So you need to the surveying and especially leveling. So today's topic is the different type of leveling. Correct? So let us start. Dear boy, type of leveling in surveying. First, it is direct leveling and trigonometric leveling, barometric leveling, and Stadia leveling. This is 4 types leveling are available in our education, in our engineering. There is a 4-type level. So one by one we will study. So this is actually what is the direct leveling? It's the most commonly used method at leveling. In this method, measurements are observed directly from leveling instrument based on the observation point and the instrument position. So directly leveling is divided into different type of follow: simple leveling, differential leveling, fly leveling, profile leveling, and precious leveling and reciprocal leveling. Okay. So my dear boy, these 6 type of direct leveling. Okay. Now, differential leveling, what is? Just for your knowledge. Dear boy, if you have a auto level and you have a ground, so you will take the level like this. Suppose, my dear boy, this is a big area you have to serve. So how you will know your NSM, natural surface level? Now you will make this type of plan. Up, you will take all this spot, this spot, this spot, all spots level, and after that you will be made a contour in this graph also. Suppose this type of contour. Okay, this type of contour, this type of contour line. This type of contour line and this type of contour line. So this is the direct leveling. This is the direct leveling. And next, my dear boy, is it fly leveling? If you want only profile, if you want only profile, so suppose this is place of undulation and you want to know his profile, so maybe this. You will count the all transfer leveling. Profile leveling means if you want to work, start from this is A point, B point, this is A and B point. And you have to start your work from B point. No. What will you do? Dear boy, you will be do the fly leveling for the transfer of benchmark. For the transfer of benchmark. Now, this is called fly leveling. Next, profile leveling. Dear boy, if you want to only profile the NSL, then the same apparatus you can do profile leveling. And precise leveling. If any object are back to the any big object, that you will take so many changing point and you will take the precise leveling and reciprocal leveling. And if your target is so many things, then you can take the reciprocal leveling. Now, rigonometric leveling. Rigonometric leveling, what is? Rigonometric leveling is the branch of surveying in which we found out the vertical distance between 2 points with the help of some measurement and of the vertical angle, and no distance. So known distance and earlier assumed to be horizontal of the geodetic length and the mean sea level. The distance are measured directly as in the plane survey or they computed as the geodetic survey. Dear boy, suppose the rigonometric is generated from the trigonometric. Rigonometric is a joint word of survey and reconnaissance survey and trigonometric. Suppose, my dear boy, you want to know what is the height of mountain. You are standing here with machine, with theodolite. One thing, your first sight is from the theodolite is this, and the second sight is This you can find out by distance, maybe Stadia here, or maybe height. So if suppose you have taken this distance and you know this is the distance of x. Okay. Now this bearing you have to know. Now this is the height from where this height to this height. So thereby this height you want. Correct? Now if you have find out this distance, then you can, I think, find out by tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, or theta, this is the bearing. You have find out from theodolite. And after that, you will find out the what is this height. And after the getting of height, you will add. What will we add? You will add the, tell me, what is? You will add the mean sea level. So, dear boy, one thing, what is the mean sea level? Mean sea level means when, what is the level of sea at the earth? We have count that is the 0. So after the 19th year of the observation, after the 19th year of the observation, we have constructed a plate that is called MSL point. And that is the 0 of our indication of level. So these points we will add at the elevation which you have taken here. And you have to find out the top of hillock. Correct? The distance are measured directly at the plane survey, or they are computed as in the geodetic survey. So trigonometric leveling can be done in two following ways. First, observation taken for the height and distance, geodetic observation. In the first, we can measure the horizontal distance between the given point if accessible. If accessible. Now, Now, barometric leveling. A fast and relative inexpensive survey technique used in the determining elevation of ground station to an accuracy of plus minus 3 to 5 is available tool for you to reconnaissance survey or other similar survey more where great accuracy is not required. So elevation data we are gathered for pre-selected ground station using for different barometric leveling, techno twitch single base and double phase, triple base and leap frog. The main difference is this for the method is lie only the amount of time and equipment required and the sophistication of the field procedure used. The data collected are analyzed to determine whether the increase in office or field time is rewarded by the corresponding increase the necessary of the result. So figure and graph indicate that the more sophisticated method to indeed yield and more accurate result. But the site it increase and accuracy may not competent for the added time and equipment required to obtain them. Now, Stadia leveling, dear boy, similar to differential leveling. Stadia leveling, just I will explain this. Similar to differential leveling. Except the line of sight may be included from the horizontal, inclined from the horizontal, well suited in rolling of the hilly country. Thereby, suppose you are doing a leveling in the hilly area. Your machine is here at the okay, my dear boy. So here in your focus, here in your focus, you will check that this type will be seen, will be created after the taking off leveling. This type. Now, this is the Stadia here. What is my dear one? This is the Stadia here. Up now, when you will see the Stadia here on the staff, you will read all the level and add in all in one. And after that, you will divide by 3, and which are the average, that will be called as level. Clear? Any doubt? Now we will read different type of leveling. First, once again, what is leveling? The art of determining relative attitude of point on the surface of Earth or bench surface of Earth. It's called leveling. And there is bench of surveying, which deal with the measure in the vertical plane only. And for execution of any engineering project like highway, like railway, canal, dam, building, water supply, and sanitary scheme, it is very necessary to determine the elevation of different points along the alignment of project, proposed project. So, leveling is employed to provide accurate network of height covering entire area of project. Leveling is of prime importance to the engineers, and both is acquiring necessary data for design of project and also during its execution. Okay, clear? Now, principle of leveling. On which principle leveling has been worked? Now we will see. So the principle of leveling is to obtain horizontal line of sight with respect to which vertical distance of the point above or below. So this line of sight are found. My dear boy, it means you can see like this. If this is if this is undulation, place, okay, and you want to do the survey, your machine is here. So dear boy, the position is, suppose your staff is here. Ground level is this. So this level, next position this level, next is this level, next is this level. It is the so many levels which will be crossed the middle of the middle of the line of axis. And middle, who is middle? That is the middle of the axis. Middle of the axis. So who is the middle of axis? This. Clear? When it will be crossed, it will show the elevation and it is recorded. It is the principle of leveling. Correct? Now, object of leveling. Leveling is done for the following purpose: to prepare a contour map for fixing site of reservoirs and dam and barrage, etc. Thereby, if you will not draw the contour map, you cannot observe how much water available in the your reservoir. See this. Suppose you have prepared a reservoir here. So this is the first day of water storage. This is the second day of water storage. The third day of water storage. Fourth day of water storage. 5th day of water resources. And 6th day of water resources. After that, this is the level, this is the per meter level of the water. It stand on your dam side. Clear? But when it will be crossed to this level or in storage, it will be jump on your beers. Okay? Determine the attitude of different important point on hill or to know reduced level of different point on surface above below surface of earth. To prepare the longitudinal section on cross section of project in order to determine volume of earth work and to prepare layout map of the water supply and sanitary or drainage. So use of leveling, you will read. The established benchmark as a vertical control point and such serve a reference for other leveling. To enable surveyor calculate whether 2 points are intervisible from each other the ground surface. To enable surveyor measurement to be reduced the horizontal sea level and to enable drainage work to be surveyed so that water may flow in the desired direction. Now, what is the level surface? We will discuss. A surface parallel, the mean spherical surface, the earth is called level surface, and such surface is curved surface. Water surface of still leg is considered as a level surface. So the line drawn on the level surface is known as a level, and this line normal to plumb line, hence all points lying on the level surface are equidistant from the center of the earth. One thing I want to clear on the level surface for you. There was, suppose this is a earth, and your boy is doing survey. Why doing survey? So this machine is the ranging. This is the flat survey, but it is not possible because it is the round position. So it will be set like this. So this is the actual measurement. This, and this is the realistic measurement. Correct? The line down on the level surface is known as a level time, and this line is normal to plumb line, and hence all of the points lying on the level surface are equidistant from the center of Earth. Now level surface, a surface parallel to the mean aspherical surface of the earth is called a level surface, and such surface is the equal surface, water surface of still like considered as a level surface. And the line down on the level surface is known as a level line, and this line is normal to plumb line, hence all points lying on a level surface are equidistant from the center of the earth. Now, what is the horizontal surface? A surface tangent to level surface at a given point is called horizontal surface. At the point, hence a horizontal line is a right angle to the plumb and line of the point which indicate different of gravity. This is, I mean, just you have understand this diagram. This is horizontal line, but this is the level line. This is the mean sea level, and this is the horizontal. It is not real horizontal line. It is on the theory, but this level line is on the practical. Okay. So any line laying on horizontal plane is called horizontal line, it is tangential to level line, and vertical line, the direction indicated by plumb line is called vertical line, which is in the perpendicular to horizontal line and vertical plane, and any plane passing through the vertical line is called as vertical plane. And bottom surface on the line. So this is an imaginary level surface on line with the reference of the which vertical distance of different point above or below of this line is measured in the Pakistan totem adopt for GTS, it means sea level of Karachi and Mumbai at the gateway of India. So mean sea level, what is, my dear boy, mean sea level? Mean sea level is the average height of the sea for all stages of the tides. If any particular places, MSL is established by making boundary observation of tides and by observing tide height over a long period of at least 19 years in India and Pakistan. So MSL, uses that established the Karachi presently in Pakistan and Mumbai at the gateway of India in all important survey. This is a huge edge dot. And my dear boy, what is the reduced level? Reduced level, any RL, the height of depth of a point taken as the height above or below the bottom surface is known as the RL of that point, and it is also called elevation of point. Elevation of any object below mean sea level is called negative elevation. This is, my dear boy, mean sea level. So line of collimation. The line which plays through the intersection of the cross here of the eyepiece and optional center of the objective. So, and it is the continuation, it's called as a line of the collimation, and this is also known as the line of sight. Now axis of the telescope, and this axis is the imaginary line and passing through the optical center of the object glass and optical center of the eye piece. And finally, it is the benchmark. A benchmark is the fixed reference point of known elevation with reference to bottom line, and this survey or reference point for finding RL of the new point of the conducting, leveling, and operation in the project involving road and a railway. And it may be followed type GTS benchmark. It may be great trigonometrically survey. It may be following type GTS benchmark. So these benchmarks are established by national agency like Survey of Pakistan and India, and they are established with the height precision at an interval of the 100 kilometer all country, and the position and elevation above mean sea level is given a special catalog known as GTS map. This is, my dear boy, this is benchmark photograph. This is benchmark photograph. You will see this. and note in your mind. This is the photograph of benchmark. How we will construct it like this. So dear boy, this is the technique of leveling, different type of technique of leveling. On this course, on this class, on this method, I have prepared a few MCQ and I will request you, please give the reply on that. So, dear boy, which of the following is caused by the careless of handling? Question number 1. So, what is the systematic error and gross error? So, correct answer is B. It is the gross error. And next question, a system will be error free if we remove the systematic error. Oh dear boy, it is the true or false? It is false. Answer B. And study at closely spaced counter line represent as a. So what is the correct answer? Yes, correct answer is A. Slip slope. And a negative deflection shows that the magnetic meridian is to the. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is B. Western side of the true meridian. Now, next question. A telescope is said to be inverted if it. So, vertical article is to right or bubble of the telescope is shown. What is the correct? Correct is A. Vertical circle, it is to right, and to be bubble of the telescope is down. Next question. An angle of 45 degrees with the remain line may be set out with. Please give the reply. Actually, correct answer is C. French cross staff. And next question is, a level line is, what is horizontal line or vertical line? Correct answer is B. Line parallel to the mean a spherical surface of the earth. Now, a get cap fitted with, give me answer. Correct answer is D. Prismatic compass. Along 0,0 slope, the connection to apply to each 30-meter chain length is 30 seconds. Yes, correct answer is A, 30 seconds. So this is the references of your reference book, and this is reference book. And thank you for taking interest in my class. You all are welcome in my next class. Okay.